Hello, welcome to How to Make Technology Work. In this session, we will show you a few videos that will help you to set up your devices and to use some functionalities that will make your forum and conference an even better experience. First, we will be having a look at the technical requirements needed to correctly run the platform and to be able to participate in the discussions. After that, we will do a quick tour of the platform, discovering its main features and functionalities. If you wish so, you will be able to translate the interface of the platform into your preferred language by using the automated Google Translate function. And lastly, we will show you how to access to the interpretation feature that will be available during the plenaries. During this session, you also will be able to ask live questions using the Q&A section on the platform. Enjoy this session and have a nice plenary.
In the next slides, we will look at the technical requirements each participant will need to have to ensure a wonderful viewing experience. Each participant will need to have a suitable device for use, a browser, and a stable and reliable internet connection. For the device, it is strongly recommended that each participant uses a notebook or a laptop or a tablet device. Mobile phones are not recommended because of the viewing size of the screen, and public computers at internet cyber cafes are also not recommended because of the quality of the bandwidth and the security of the devices. The supported browsers at this point for this conference is Chrome, Safari, and Microsoft Edge. We do not recommend participants to use the browsers Opera and Firefox. For the internet connectivity, and this is an important topic, and that is to ensure you have a stable and reliable internet connection, the minimum recommended download speeds is 5 megabits per second and a recommended 2 megabits per second of upload speeds. We do not recommend using 3G or 4G mobile data connections for this event because of the quality of bandwidth you may get over a mobile network versus a slightly better quality or better quality of service over a fixed broadband service. At any point in time, should you have experienced issues with using the participation platform, we have dedicated help centers and support-based articles available at your disposal. These knowledge-based articles and 24/7 support are accessible through the portal itself and through this conference webpage itself. George, next slide, please. The knowledge base is a bilingual article center with English and French articles addressing some of the common issues that participants would have. They also provide additional information regarding the event itself, the participation platform, how to use the voting system, and so on and so forth. In addition to the knowledge-based articles, there's also a 24/7 help desk managed by a team who would be able to provide support related to the platform itself, registration issues, voting, institutional matters, safe from harm, and many more. To get access, you can open the web form on the Scout Conference website or click on the help button within the participation platform.
The World Scout Conference and the World Scout Youth Forum events platform is called On Air. Each registered person will receive a personalized login link. The link will be sent 7 days before the event. When you access the platform, you'll be asked to input your username and password or PIN. Each time you access the platform, the site will ask to perform a check for your connected audio-visual devices, like the webcam, microphone, and internet speed connection. Make sure you're using your mic and camera. Better to have a headset than using the computer speakers. On the main landing page, you will see the following on screen. the agenda and timeline, search functionality to look for a particular session, Meeting Hub access to your profile, and exhibition booth. There are also banners that are linked to different pages. Through it you can find more about the Scout donation platform, the World Scout Foundation, or report a Safe from Harm issue. Each banner has its own link and will take you to the respective page. We will know more about each section in this walkthrough. You'll find the agenda in the row with the dates of each day. You can move between them and start the session you want to participate in. If you want to show the starred sessions only, you can click on the star icons next to the filter. Advanced search can be used if you want to look for a specific session. Now let's check the profile settings. From here, you can check your details, add your photo, and write more about yourself. You can connect to your social media channels. Please use the browser time zone, except if you're using a VPN, then change it to your time zone. If at any point during the conference you face issues with your camera or microphone, you can change the setting from here. Don't forget to update at the end. The exhibition area is divided into 4 parts. Scouting around the world, which is the NSO's booths. Welcome to the World will have more information about various aspects of the conference. World Scouting Partners and Initiatives will have all of our partners and event bidders. And World Scouting Showcase, which will include information about services and WASM programs. Those booths will be always available to visit, but there will be a certain time where the exhibitors will be actually present at the booth for live session and questions. Once you visit an exhibition, you will find tabs on the right side of the page, where you can find information about the exhibitor, frequently asked questions, and you can also connect to the exhibitor. There will be brochures and you can take notes anytime. There will be live presentations when the exhibitor is at the booth. If the exhibitor is not there, you can watch videos about the exhibition and schedule a meeting if you need through the Meeting Hub. Let's check another function on the platform, the Meeting Hub. On the Meeting Hub, you'll be able to search for attendees and check who's online by toggling the Online Now button. You can call your connection or chat with them. You can send them a message in case they are offline, or you can schedule a meeting. You can always take notes and export them, and you can check the details and the social media accounts of your connection. You will receive a message from your connections as a pop-up in the bottom left corner if you are on the platform. You can also turn the Do Not Disturb button if you are busy and cannot answer. See how sessions work. That includes plenary sessions and breakout sessions. When you join a session, you will find on the right side the duration of the session, introduction, discussion forums, and notes section. There will be polls and sometimes Q&As, so keep an eye on this part. In a session, delegates will be able to raise their hands to speak. They will appear on the main screen and can address the conference. To do this, you go below the stream screen and raise your hand. Then the chair will invite you to speak. You will be transferred to the green room, which is the backstage, to make sure that your camera and microphone are working. Then you will go to the main screen and address the conference. There will be someone to help you in the green room and give you a heads up before going live. As always, you can take notes and export them too. In the breakout session, where you will participate, there will be speakers and moderators running the sessions. There are 2 types of breakout sessions, automatic and manual. The automatic will be breaking the sessions automatically into small groups, while the manual, you will see a screen with different topics and you can choose which room you want to join. To add a fun element to the experience, there will be a gamification scheme integrated in the whole conference. You will find a cup-shaped icon around the platform that gives you points. There will be goals which are across the platform, and there will be badges that has certain criteria to achieve. Once you achieve them, you will get those badges. You can also check the leaderboard and see who's winning through the whole conference participants, and the winners will be announced daily. Last function you can find on the platform is export. You can always export all of your notes and contacts you've made through the conference or the youth forum through this export icon on the top right. You will receive an email with all the notes or contacts you've made to a registered email.
If you are using Chrome, you can automatically translate the platform into any other language. To do so, right-click anywhere on the platform and Translate to. A Google Translate icon will appear in your address bar. Click on it, and select to change the language, if you wish to translate into another one. Follow the instructions and select another language. Your entire page will now display in the language of your choice.
At the World Scout Conference, all plenary sessions will be available in our 5 working languages: English, French, Spanish, Arabic, and Russian. In order to change the language, you should go to the Session Information tab as is shown on the screen and select the language that you wish for from the drop-down menu.